Upgrading the memory in your Apple iMac couldn't be simpler. All you need is a screwdriver and a couple of minutes. We have our screwdriver, our module, our iMac, a piece of foam to lie the iMac onto, and a protective grounding wristband. Take the iMac and lie it face down onto the foam. Then take your screwdriver and remove the panel on the bottom of the iMac. Once the panel is removed, you'll see the plastic tabs. Simply pull those out and make space for the new module. Take the module, align the slot to the left-hand side, and then slide it gently into the slot, using your thumbs to make sure it's grounded securely. Then tuck the tab back in. Simply replace the panel and then you're all finished. See us online today at memorydeal.net.